In this chapter, we are going to learn how to use Facebook offers. There is no doubt that majority of us would love something which is on offer. When we see something is on sale, we tend to buy it. That's why offers have always been successful in attracting new customers as well as retaining the old customers. Facebook understands this very well, and that's why on Facebook page they have given this facility to float an offer. So let's see how we can plan this offer on our page, and we can give that benefit to our existing followers as well as whosoever is visiting our page. So to post an offer, if we come over here, you will see this offer button is visible right over here. Just click that. See, sometimes this happens like on this page right now, somehow I am not able to create an offer. So let's go to my old page and see how we can create an offer over there. So now we are on Strikers India Facebook page and we would be creating offer over here. So we'll come back to this create post, and right below that under the create option we'll click on offer. Now the offer can be of two types. One, it is in store. Second, it is online. And you can have obviously combined offer which is valid online as well as in store. So let's see what kind of options we are having. If we see at the discount types, we can see percentage of dollar off. This is rupees off for us. Free product or service, free shipping, or anything custom. Over here maybe you can say when you buy X product you can get the Y product at certain discount or free of cost. That kind of things can be worked out over here. So all kind of facilities are available. So let's plot an offer which is 10% off on dumbbells. So I will select this percentage off, and instead of 20% I will go for 10% off, and I will say that is valid on dumbbells. So we can see over here in preview 10% off dumbbells is written over here. In this description box you should write something about your offer. However, that is optional, but I would always recommend you should write something so your target audience can understand the offer in a better way. So I will write something like this: exclusive offer for our Facebook fans. So over here in the preview you can see at the top of this offer one would be able to read this description. So this way people will start reading from here. Strikers India posted an offer. This is the description, this is image, and what is the offer actually. So I will add a photograph related to this offer. So I will choose something related to dumbbells. Now I have selected this image where I am saying get code to buy at 10% discount. So this offer is valid till, let's say, only in this month. So it would be 30th June 2022. Now right now I am creating this as in-store offer, but if I want I can make it an online offer as well. So let's go for exclusive online offer. In this scenario we will require to give them a URL where people can redeem this code and buy this product. So here I will give this URL: all products dumbbells and pink dumbbells. So immediately people will be able to reach to this particular product page. Now over here we would be having various options for button. Right now we can see save button is over here. If we want we can change it to shop now. If we want people to immediately redeem this particular code, then definitely shop now should be focused. If we want people to get more information about this offer and to connect us on call, then we can have this button call now, or we can initiate this interaction on messenger. But I would always say select this save. I will give you reasons why I'm suggesting this particular option. Now over here we can add terms and conditions related to this particular offer. So right now I'm placing this 3 terms and conditions, and the last thing is add promo code. This is optional, but if you want to give some sense of exclusivity, then you should design some kind of promo code. So right now I will say strikers EB10. This is my promo code, and now everything is ready. We can see how the people are going to look at this particular offer post on their timeline. If I want to do any changes, I can do that over here on the left hand side, but if I feel this is perfect, then I can go over here and publish this. If we want to schedule this offer, we can do that as well, but right now we'll click and publish this particular offer. So we can see this particular offer is visible on our page like this. Now let me take this particular page into visitors mode and see how as a user I'm going to interact with this. So as a person, I would be seeing this page something like this, and over here I would be getting this option to click save. So if you have already created any collection, you can save there. If you want to create any new collection, let me see over here. I would say discounts, and I will create this collection. So under my saved item, now this particular offer will be available under the discounts collection. We'll see that also, but before that, let's go back to our page and publish in-store offer. So now again we'll publish another offer. For that we'll click this. This time I'm going to use custom. I will name this offer as free diet consultation. This time I'm not going to write anything over here, and I will choose an image for this particular offer. So this is the offer image, pretty much clear that okay, it's a free diet consultation valid till, let's say, next month, that is end of July, and this is going to be only in store. So when we say in store, if at all we are having any terms and conditions and promotional codes which user need to come and submit at the physical location, then we can add that. Over here again we get option to call now, send message, but URL option is not appearing. Shop now button is not appearing because we have selected only in store. So now we'll publish this offer. So we have published that offer, and let's see how it is looking on our page. So this is the offer where we say free diet consultation expires on July 31st, 2022. And in earlier offer we had some description, so that was visible over here. Here we are not having any kind of description. Now I have, let's say, availed this particular offer or this particular offer, but then over here there was some kind of promo code, and I forgot what was the code. Then how I'm going to see, like, okay, what was the code and how I'm going to redeem that? For that, let's go to your personal profile. On your profile, click on this see more, scroll down and find saved. So as you know, we had created this discounts collection, so we'll go to this discounts collection. We'll click this particular 10% off, and we will be able to see the entire image, entire description, and this particular code which is visible right over here. and whatever terms and conditions were there, we have already saved this, so this is visible over here. Now due to this, what will happen, before this expiring date of June 30th, Facebook will send me an intimation with a notification over here that your offer is about to expire. So this way I would be getting an additional recall without spending any additional money. So that is wonderful mechanism, right? So let's say by the end of the June, if I have forgotten what was the offer, then Facebook is reminding me. I will click over here, I will come over here, I will see, okay, it is 10% discount. I will use this code. I will click this and immediately I will visit the web page. So now I have landed on this Pink Dumbbells web page. I will scroll over here, click on buy now and submit this particular discount code to avail a discount of 10%. So instead of 789, I would be able to buy it somewhere around 710, right? So this is how you are going to configure an offer on your page. This is very simple. You can configure an online offer as well as in-store offer. In both the cases, before expiry date, Facebook will give a notification as well as an email reminder about this particular offer. So you would be getting double advantage, but you will not have any access to data like, okay, these are the people who have availed your offer and these are their email address. That would not be available, but still on their mail, Facebook will send a reminder. On their page, Facebook will send a notification, and this way you can be sure, okay, a lot of people would be redeeming this offer and will take the benefit of this offer. So figure out some nice offer for your page and float it today. If you find any difficulty, do let me know, and see you in the next video.